Thank you, parents and graduates. Parents, you may now take your seats. Aside from our dear parents, we also honor and recognize the efforts of our dear educators.
To give us the message, I call Mr. Brian G. Maglanta, Manya Cum Laude, to be followed by the response.
Mabuhay Kumpanya. To our honored guests, school administrator, our beloved parents, friends, fellow graduates, and most especially to our dear teachers. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and blessed morning to all of us. It is an honor to speak on behalf of my fellow graduates. Behind all doctors, policemen, lawyers, engineers, and behind all professionals was a teacher, molding, nurturing, and encouraging them to pursue what it was they truly wanted. Through every challenges, they were our rocks, the calm amidst the storm, providing us with the strength to push forward. Victories with uncontrollable joy, and our hearts ache with our heavy feet. Their beliefs in us never wavered when we doubt ourselves. They saw our potential and nurtured it, guiding us towards a future filled with endless possibilities. But there is one person I want to address who made an impact positively in my life, our lives. I admire her in her ability to inspire us, not just academically, but personally as well. She had taught us the importance of curiosity, resilience, and kindness. Her lessons go beyond textbooks, instilling values